Good morning. Day 5 and the last day of my trip. Everything that is beautiful comes to an end quickly. Today about 640 kilometers through Bosnia are waiting for me, and I hope the last tire will last until home. So I will show you now quickly how my last tire looks. And we are ready, so let's go slowly. Look at this young one. Hello. You. Yeah. Oh. As you can see, I'm back on the road via Durmetor because it is obviously shortest way to home. Brrr, it's a cold. I'm freezing out here. Brrr. Well, look at this, brand new tarmac. Oh, but not for long. Ah. Wonderful.
We are back in Bosnia. 566 kilometers to home. But first, it is hot like a hell. First, I will find some proper place to stay and drink some water because I'm thirsty like camel in the desert. What the F is this? This road is everything but super. Living in Bosnia, working in America. Finally, better road. Gas station. Let me see if they have 98. Yes, they have. Excellent. Nope, they don't have. Bosnian Grand Canyon. River Bistrica. We are currently in Kakanj, searching for a gas station. The GPS says 1 kilometer. Previously we are been on highway, but I must go down because the fuel level is very low. And welcome back to Croatia. I got 211 kilometers to home, and hopefully my tire will last.
here I am at home again. It was really hot as hell today, and as you could see, I drove almost the entire trip of almost 750 kilometers without gloves. Of course, I would not recommend this to anyone, because in addition to protecting the palms for falling off the motorcycle, they also protect from the sun and UV radiation. The problems with tire consumption on the motorcycle started on the island of Korčula. Very rough and abrasive asphalt accelerated tire wear to the limit. I even considered replacing them somewhere along the way. This would significantly increase the cost of travel. I knew I had to be gentle with throttle, because a new set of Conti Road Attacks 4 was waiting for me at home. Compared to the previous set, they should have lasted at least another 4,000 kilometers. Fortunately, and with a light dosage of the throttle lever, without sudden acceleration, I managed to reach home happily. ZZR 1400, nicknamed Catfish, served me all the way superiorly. In fact, the motorcycle in the 15 years since I've had it has never left me on the road. That means from 2007 until today. Now it is approaching 100,000 kilometers, and the feeling towards the motorcycle is still the same as the first day when it met me in front of the shop with 0 kilometers. Follow the further adventures of Mr. Knight ZZR 1400 on YouTube and press the subscribe and like button, and I will soon bring you more videos. Thanks for watching.